So I'm going to start by applying my concealer on my lids. And I'm using the Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Light. And the palette that I'm going to be using is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And with my Morphe M518, I'm going to grab the color Sandalwood. And it's just like a light brown shade that I'm going to use for my transition. And now with my Morphe M441, I'm going to grab another shade from the palette, which is Henna. And apply this on my crease. So now I'm going to grab this color right here. It's like a red cherry color with the same brush. And just apply it over the first shade that I used. So I'm going to do a half cut crease. And I'm going to be using my Tarte Shade Tape concealer. And just with a flat brush, I'm going to start applying it on my inner corner and then all over my lid. With my finger, I'm going to blend my concealer into my eyeshadow. I'm just going to go over it with my blending brush and just blend everything together. So I'm just going to grab the same shade, Man Eater, and just drag it more into the middle of my lid and blend it into my concealer. Okay, so now with the flat brush, this is the Zoeva 232. I'm gonna grab the shade Flame and apply it on my lid. For my inner corner, I'm going to go with Angelic with my MAC 242 brush. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to use my NYC liquid eyeliner. So I already applied my eyelashes and my eyeliner. So now I'm going to go with my concealer. And I'm going to use the Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Light. But I feel like today my dark circles are a little bit more visible. So I'm going to apply a peachy tone concealer before I applied my other concealer, the lighter one. Just to cancel the darkness And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in high definition. Now I'm gonna go over with my Tarte Shape Tape in light. I'm gonna blend it with my Morphe sponge. So for powder, I usually use the Dermablend loose powder, but for today I'm gonna use my Airspun, and this is the translucent one. And I'm just gonna bake under my eyes. I don't bake for too long since I have dry skin, but I'm just gonna have it there for a while. And I just press the powder into my skin. So for my lower lash, I'm going to use these two colors right here. Okay, so now with a small flat brush, I'm going to grab a black eyeshadow. So now I'm going back with my pencil brush and I'm going to blend everything together. So now I'm going back to my face, and for bronzer I'm going to use the matte bronze from MAC with my Sigma contour brush. And the highlighter that I'm going to be using is the Laura Geller in Gilded Honey with my Zoeva 134 brush. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Bumble. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys did, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.